Advancements have led to faster and more accurate scanning, as well as improved image quality and resolution. Another area of innovation in image scanning technology is the integration of scanning capabilities into other devices, such as smartphones and tablets. This has enabled users to capture and share high-quality images on the go without the need for a dedicated scanner. Another important aspect of image scanning technology is the development of specialized scanners for specific applications. For example, there are scanners designed specifically for scanning film negatives and slides, which require a different type of sensor and light source than traditional document scanners. These scanners are often used by photographers and graphic designers who need high-quality digital versions of film-based images. Another specialized application of image scanning technology is the scanning of large-format documents such as blueprints, maps, and engineering drawings. These documents can be several feet in size and require specialized scanners with larger scanning beds and higher resolution sensors. The resulting digital images can be used for archiving, printing, and other applications. In the medical field, image scanning technology is used for a wide range of applications, including X-rays, CT scans, and RIS. These scanners require specialized sensors and software to produce accurate and detailed images of internal body structures. The resulting digital images can be used for diagnosis, treatment planning, and research. One of the most exciting developments in image scanning technology is the use of 3D scanning to create digital models of real-world objects. 3D scanners use a variety of techniques, including laser scanning and structured light scanning, to capture detailed information about the shape and structure of an object. These digital models can be used for a wide range of applications, including product design, manufacturing, and archaeology. Another aspect of image scanning technology is the development of portable and handheld scanners. These scanners are small and lightweight, making them ideal for use on the go. They often use battery power and can be connected to other devices such as smartphones or tablets, allowing users to easily capture and share high-quality digital images. Portable scanners are often used in industries such as real estate and insurance, where professionals need to quickly capture images of documents, receipts, and other items while out in the field. They are also popular among artists and designers who need to capture sketches and other drawings while on the go. In addition to portability, another area of innovation in image scanning technology is connectivity. Many scanners now offer wireless or Bluetooth connectivity, allowing users to easily transfer scanned images to other devices for further processing or sharing. This has made it easier than ever to scan and share high-quality images, without the need for cables or other physical connections. Another area of innovation is the development of cloud-based scanning solutions. With cloud-based scanning, users can upload images directly to the cloud, where they can be accessed from anywhere with an internet connection. This has made it easier to collaborate on documents and other visual information, even when team members are located in different parts of the world. Another important aspect of image scanning technology is the integration of scanning capabilities into other devices, such as printers and multifunction devices. These devices offer scanning capabilities in addition to printing, copying, and faxing, providing users with a one-stop shop for all their document management needs. Multifunction devices typically use flatbed scanners, which are similar to traditional document scanners but are integrated into the same device as the printer or copier.